Today on Dak and Jew, we are making the perfect chocolate chip cookie recipe.
It's chewy, it's soft, it's chocolatey, it's crunchy on the outside, doughy on the inside, everything you want. It's a masterpiece.
So we're going to sift 3 2/3 cups of all-purpose flour right into our mixer.
And here we have already pre-measured our baking soda, baking powder, and salt.
Put on our paddle attachment. Do a little stir. We need this mixer to cream the butter and the sugar, so we're just gonna pour it into this bowl. You could have just measured it directly into this bowl, but
We forgot. Dakota forgot. This is her recipe.
Now we're gonna do our wet ingredients and starting with our brown sugar and butter. So it's 1.25 cups of brown sugar, packed butter, room temperature. We're gonna cream this until it's light and fluffy.
Oh my God, the butter smell.
It's intoxicating. You want the butter to be whipped and a shade of light brown with no brown sugar clumps. Just scrape down the sides a little. Julie's gonna crack in 2 eggs.
Where do I go? We're also gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
Glug, 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 glug. Then we're gonna mix again until it's incorporated. We're going to add in 3 parts the dry ingredients. Once you start adding flour, this is when you really have to be careful to not overmix.
Be careful.
All right, I'm gonna let it go a couple more times. And then before it's even totally incorporated, that's when we're gonna add the chocolate chips, because I think probably right now, because they're gonna be spun in, and so then the flour will finalize.
So it looks dry. It looks like it hasn't finished mixing. There's still some flour in there. We're using a little over 10 ounces of chocolate chips. So that's like a little over one of those bags that you buy at the store. Again, you can kind of change that depending on how much chocolate you like in your cookie.
This is a mixture of semi-sweet chips and dark chocolate chips.
Oh yeah, for fun.
Oh, daddy. Right.
She's ready.
She is ready. Oh, yes.
This is by far the best cookie dough you will ever put in your mouth.
It is so good. Julie and I made these like a week ago, and we ate so much dough.
We were both ill from it. Like
So
I actually felt sick.
And I was like, I'm never gonna do that again.
Here we are.
Later. This dough has been in the fridge, marinating overnight. Scoop some out. We have a scale here. If you don't feel like doing this or you don't have a scale, totally fine. I can't promise they'll be the exact same texture, but up to you.
How many cookies does this make?
Well, we ate a lot of the dough, so not very many. If you don't have a scale at home, it is like a baseball, a tennis ball?
Yeah, like a tennis ball or a baseball size, literally. That's huge.
It's like the size of my fist.
Yeah, but no one knows how big your fist is if they're watching online. That doesn't help either. You have a very large mouth.
Anyway, you should be able to fit about 6 on a single tray, and this is a lined cookie sheet.
Oh, that was almost perfect.
Almost perfect. You're almost perfect.
True, truly.
Okay.
Is it ready?
Oh, no.
All right. So the big reason why,
Get it?
so the reason why these are so giant is that it's gonna take longer for them to kind of do that normal cookie spread in the oven, and because it takes so much longer, that's what keeps it kind of doughy and moist and chewy and delicious in the center.
Goodbye.
Set a timer for 5 minutes. It takes longer than 5 minutes to cook that, but we have a special reason why we set the timer. We're gonna put salt on top.
Okay. So the 5-minute timer went off. Julie sprinkled the top with some flaky salt. This will make all the difference and really delight people. They're starting to. I'm delighted. I'm delighted. That's all that matters.
Okay, my hands being tied.
Okay. Put it back in the oven.
Okay, back in the oven.
It's been cooling for about 10 minutes, and we are ready to try it.
We've already picked out the one we want to eat.
Yep,
This one.
It's just gonna fall apart. Oh. It's like a hug from Beyonce. That too. Mm.